As I said, you can enter here, uh, and you can set a target. This is the closest target. Yes, you everyone will say that this is very much low and all, but yeah, you will take first partial here. Let's see. Let's see how this will be pan out or not. Something was wrong with my streaming, so I had to go there, and at that time everything happened. But yeah, anyways, I was not going to take a trade. I'm just tape reading it, so no worries. Arey, on man, something is wrong. Something is really, really wrong with my. Okay, the first partial will be here on the 14th, and we will. Uh, I'm just completely distracted. I'm so sorry. I'm just completely distracted with this streaming things. I don't know if it is live or not. I don't care now. I don't care. I don't want this. This one will be the first target. Second target will be the. I think this one will be close. Second target will be this, and third will be our exact drawn liquidity. This will be the CB. Mm, mhm, 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 mhm. And this one will be the entry. Okay. As you can see, I outlined this in a live few minutes before. You can just replay and you can see it. And we will go to the new page. Oh, why? Oh my, sorry, why is, we'll go to the new page, contemplate, and we'll paste it here, and we will show you. First target is achieved. I don't expect market to spend too much time here. It should quickly go above. It should quickly go above, and especially it shouldn't disrespect this BC. It can disrespect this BC and still go above, but it will be the best case scenario will be price do not close below this low of BC, fair value gap, and go above this high. This will be our second TP2. Let's see. Okay. Look how much price react to this kind of points. If you see the low of fair value gap here on the low of fair value gap, it's amazing. The midpoint of this fair value gap, that is amazing. That is real price action. This one is good. This one is very good. I'm so happy, guys, that after so many days I started to stream, and Everything is panning out. Of course, we talk about no report card mentality, but that is about we will not get upset. We can be happy. There is no issue in being happy. Yes, yes, yes. Now, this one is TP2 will be is more obvious now. Um, the probability of hitting this target is again increased. First target is achieve. Uh, market, and we will point it out like this. CB above the market and CB above the market. And this one is the use of it's 9 p.m. and the last hour. So before 9:30 actually anything can happen. Market is just very quick. There is very high volatility and market just quickly grab any kind of liquidity and go reverse. So yeah, now we will just see it. If if I would have take a trade here, I will end it here right now, exact this point, because yeah, I don't care and I don't believe on the market on uh, last half hour, means half hour before the stock market open. It is going right. This PDR is not disrespected, which is good thing. See. This one is important. This is volume imbalance. Price closed here and the next candle opened here. Means you can just feel the force. You can just feel the bullish force. This TP2 is inevitable now. Means market is going to take this TP2 because you can just feel this force, bullish force of market. So yeah, just one or I think just more one or two candles and this TP2 will be touched. Then for the half hour we don't know. If you see it very closely, there is one more fair value gap. Sorry, volume imbalance. There is one more volume imbalance. This candle closed here and the next candle started here. Again, one more volume imbalance. I will draw it for you, but I don't need it actually. We should give a different color, which I think this one. Yes, this one is volume imbalance. There are two volume imbalance, so yeah, we are sure about it. Mhm. You can see. I think I don't need it. I will just put it here for a few more minutes and I will remove that. This one is also relative equals highs, but CB above the relative equal highs is very much stronger because it has a confluence of this relative equal highs. So if you see the market, um, and on both sides there will be a swing high, there will be a swing high, swing low, relative equals high, relative equal lows. You just have to see from where market is coming and from where probably market is going. You don't have to write every time. You don't have to beat yourself if you're wrong. You just have to anticipate and see how many times it will be right and for which reason it is right. So if today I said if, today whatever reasons I gave it to you, that market should have to take this high, market will not go without taking this high. And if today I made this draw on liquidity, I will note it down. What are the reasons that I believe that market is going bullish? And it went bullish, so that those reasons are valid. Those reasons are right. I will write out those reasons, and the next time if similar reasons happened in my chart, I will trust it more. I think that this is the same process everyone go through. For me personally, the hardest part is writing down in details. I actually don't like that thing a lot, but yeah, this is just a distractor. I will remove it. This one is a little bit more important, and this is entry is very important. This is become intermediate low now, so this one should not infiltrate. This one should not swept. And yeah, I don't think there will be any issue with TP2. And my broad guess, okay, my broad guess is that exact at 9:30 there will be one candle who will trade through this drawn liquidity, just like the rocket. That's my anticipation. And it can be reversed, and it can be go way above. I don't care, but I think that this drawn liquidity is going to take it. Market is going to take that strong liquidity today. Okay, actually, I don't know what to write, but I'm taking and we will write something random. We have to write it because that is a good habit. Market is respecting all the bullish areas in ideal scenario at or till 9:30 market should touch our draw on liquidity, the final TP. That's just a broad case. It can be wrong. I just don't care. Don't focus on that a lot. Because for market, it's not efficient to left out important swing high before going lower. Why I'm talking about before going lower, I'm not saying it will go lower. I'm saying that even if it want to go lower, it has to touch my drawn liquidity. And if it want to go higher, then there is no, this is there is obvious that it will going to touch my drawn liquidity. So yeah. Actually, we wanted to. Am I even live or not? I don't know that. I think someone is watching, or maybe I am myself. Is that okay? This one is going lower, but that's the last 20 minutes. So yeah, we don't know. Maybe market is just searching for the more liquidity. Where are the liquidities? This intermediate low is the liquidity. This CB is the liquidity. This intermediate low is the liquidity. In normal market, if there is means if 930 is not close enough, then uh, sweep. Okay. Market is going to the target price too. Let's see. I still don't. I still believe in my drawn liquidity here. We'll see it, and there is a condition that this drawn liquidity uh, has to touch market price has to touch this drawn liquidity before 930 or exactly at 930. After that, means I will back out. I don't know because there is very fast movement and market can literally go up until here within a minute. So yeah. Just for the recap, why we consider that as a drawn liquidity, market first created this swing high. Uh, I will remove this TP2 for a minute. Market just created a swing high, then this one swing low, and then market take this high but didn't take this swing high and then go lower. So I don't find any meaning in that. Market can go up until here but not here. So I believe that this lower rally was a manipulation and market have to have take this swing high because above this swing high there is uh, sell side imbalance, buy side liquidity, CB, is present on 1 hour candle as well. So yes, that's why I believe that this swing high must taken, and we predicted that. Okay, I think this one is making wave limit, and I predicted that at here at this point, and then we we noticed that how these are the 5 minute fair value gaps, and we observe that did market just disrespect these bullish paid areas or not, and market respected the bullish paid areas here. Then we marked out this fair value gap, and I said that if I would have, if I wanted to take entry, I will take entry here. I told it before market moving. So there is very good entry here. This one will be our first target, which is met. And now we are waiting, and this one is our second target. I will just why this one is second target. This is 1 minute CB, and the CBs are like a magnet. They pull the price inside them. So this will be our second target, and most probably second target will met now. And our final target is this drawn liquidity, which I believe that market has to take this drawn liquidity before going lower. But it's not 100% confirm, and we don't have to be 100% confirm always. So yeah, market take a little bit of drop here that tested your belief on this drawn liquidity. They tested the bullish players of the market. A lot of players would have just considered this as a market structure shift and sell it here. But that's why drawn liquidity is important, and just PDRs are meaningless because there are um, 10 or 20 of PDRs on both of the sides, so you cannot tell which one is right and which one is wrong. You have to have a kind of drawn liquidity, and you will support only those PDRs which shows that my price is going toward our drawn liquidity. And if we see too many PDRs are disrespected, suppose okay, so our TP2 is met and this one is second partial, so second partial 80%. I'm just now I'm mimicking the ICT himself. 80% position off. So yeah, what I'm saying that you will consider one drawn liquidity, and if I saw too many paid arrays, so suppose this one is bullish paid arrays inversion fair value gap, this one is bullish paid arrays BC. If I saw price is closing below this, then I would have doubt this drawn liquidity because there are two or three paid areas, bullish paid areas are disrespected. But if you can see, there is no single paid area, bullish paid area is disrespected. See this one, price went through it but didn't close below it. You can see this paid areas only this one candle, otherwise most of the candle are trade between this um, inversion fair value gap but didn't close below it. This paid array and even this last paid arrays. Price go way below this but didn't close below this BC. That these are very good signs. If we saw the market now, look at the price. If price go through with the force and disrespected this CB, then I'm sure that drawn liquidity is inevitable. We just have to see this last PDR is. This is the bearish PDR is, and if our bias is bullish, then bearish PDR is should be disrespected. So yeah, we have to see that now. I think our drawn liquidity is inevitable. It is. We are going to touch it within next 13 minutes. Yeah, we'll see it. We can see it, we can see it. Now price has to go above the midpoint of this CB, which will be the great. And yes, that's what I'm talking about. That this P area should be swept or should be disrespected with speed. You can see the speed of this week. It was very quick. Our drawn liquidity is going to meet, and we'll see what happen at 9:30. I think this TP2, the 20 points are more than enough. If we are right, we are already right, and 20 points plus we would have just move our stop loss till the opening price of our trade. Opening price of our trade. 26 is fine. We are going to hit our draw liquidity. Don't worry, guys. Oh Everything is in pain. I don't have a habit of, I don't know. See, this one is important. The volume imbalances. Always keep looking for it. These are just extra confirmations that you are right. You are right. This is just a confirmation. If the volume imbalance is on your direction, that's very good sign that you will meet your target very quickly now. I don't know, but my neck is in pain. Actually, why I choose the tree streaming because it helped me concentrate. So if you can see, I'm here from more than 1.5 hour or at least 1.5 hour, and I continuously I'm observing, I'm writing, and talking, which is great. And if I'm sitting alone, I have to use Pomodoro techniques and other techniques to keep my focus on the charts. Otherwise, I left it for I don't know, maybe reels or maybe something movies and all. So that's why I really don't have any purpose to other than this to streaming. Maybe if there is some people are watching, it will be much more great. Why, okay, that's the way, and our target is met the very first day of streaming, and it is awesome. It is really awesome. Target met. That is really awesome. This one is great. I'm very glad, guys. And I also give you the time when this is going to happen. This was going to happen before 9:30. I'm so glad. I just can't tell you that. That's what I all need. That on the first day of my uh, target made all three TP and drawn liquidity is uh, touched by, I don't know, sorry for my English. This one is awesome, really. Now you just come back to the 5 minutes. If you exit all the trade, you should exit all the quantity here. Come back to the 5 minute and again repeat the process. Start the observe where price is coming from, where price probably is going, which paid areas are disrespecting, which paid areas are respected. I think price will touch here. On okay, I don't know why there is two. Okay, I think we can delete that. Yes, this one is midpoint of CB. So yeah, midpoint is going to take it. Market is going to take this midpoint. I don't know. How can I? I think I will just remove all these things. I don't want to remove because it's kind of make me happy that everything just work out very fine. But yeah, we have to reset it. When you touch the drawn liquidity, we again come back as a beginner of beginning of stream mindset that we are just still finding out the direction of market. Now the relative equal low have way too much importance because other side is just infiltrated. Other side of liquidity is just swept. So relative equal lows and this swing low is in a high demand right now. A lot of big players have their eye on this swing low. Yes, I can say that. I can say that. We'll come back to the 15 minutes or 5 minutes as you wish. We'll see it. There is a kind of, scalp model I had that, we can just put the limit order here, put the stop loss here and make it 1 s to 1 or 1 s to 1.5. This one is limit order, but it is that's just, very much naive type of trading. I don't know the probability of it, but it was working on. But just 5 minutes before market open, I will never take a trade. That's not going to happen. I don't care. Even if you are sure for 200%, just don't take a trade before market open. Because most of the time, market at 9:30 bail, market will take both side of liquidity, and then it just come back to the head and tail probability 50-50. Whether your target will touch first or your stop loss will touch first. It was just it will get completely by luck. Just wait a minute. Actually, there is one mistake I did in today's stream that I write less. I should write more because the my plan is do this kind of tape reading while watch streaming and write down the notes as well, then print those notes and read it every day. Means not every day, but at least you should have a physical copy of your notes so you can read it anytime. Now for half hour more we are going to stay here because if anyone is watching, I will give you one more model. I will give you one more setup within 15 minutes. If anyone watching, I will give you one setup within 15 minutes which will grab at least 60 points. Okay, your stop loss will be 30 points and your target will be 60 points, or if you're courageous, target can be 100 points. It's up to you. Should I demo trade it or not? I don't know. Um, Actually, I don't want that report card mentality. So yeah, I will just tell you live. Don't worry. It's up to you whether you take it or not. I will give you, but it have 70% accuracy. So yeah, we will see it today. At 9:30, we will go for 1 minute, and it's on 1 minute. There is no necessity for bias. Awesome, raw liquidity. How much? I'm great. Mhm. Mhm. We'll wait for 30 seconds more. I'm going to give you a setup in 10 minutes. So what is that setup? I personally back tested it. It don't require any type of I don't require any type of bias, to be honest. I will just mark out. Okay, okay, you can see, you can hear. So just observe this, and um, you can just simply say that market is taking buy side liquidity. So now our trade will be short. Now at the bell of 9:30, which side of liquidity market taken, or which side of liquidity market run for? Now we can see market run for the buy side liquidity, so we are going to short. When we are going to short, okay, so the if the wick is very much longer than the body, then we will short exactly at that time, exactly at close of market, close of, sorry, candle. Uh, I don't know I should push the buttons or not, but yeah, for you I will. I wanted to sell it. I don't know, man. I wanted to sell it, but it is not possible. It is paper trading, but still, I don't know. I wanted to sell, but yeah, okay, no problem. Okay, it is selling. Stop loss will be here, and target will be $60. I don't know. It just happened it multiple times. Our stop loss will be 30 points, and our target will be 60 points. Hmm. Uh, so there is okay. Yeah, our target will be 54 points because this one is important. Swing low. Now we can just observe. Um, Actually, this one, the weak model is kind of, underdeveloped yet, but the more accurate one will be if I will enter. The concept is right that on the bell of 9:30, which side of liquidity market will take, and we will trade opposite of the direction, but we will wait for the first fair value gap, and we will trade that first fair value gap. So I will pyramid on first fair value gap. You can see. Wait for price candle to close. Even if we get stop loss, we don't have to feel bad because we are right already once a time today. So yeah, there is no need. We are going to short, don't worry. Okay, there will be a consolidation here. Maybe price can just take this high and then go lower. A lot of time that's also happened. Let's see today. Okay, so it should create first fair value gap here. Let's see. That's not very good. I guess weak model is wrong, but yeah, I will give you the right entry one more time. Don't worry. I know the right entry. I was just hurried. This one will be the. Mm, 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 mm. 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 Now, when market will close below this 23807 level, we are going to sell. That will be the short entry, which will give us 60 points. Quantity will be the same, and this will be the entry. I can make it blacks or something. Yes. Market is going to take a buy side liquidity. I don't know how much market will travel. The more it travel upward now, the which is better for us because market will rally bullish very quickly and it will leave a lot of inefficiencies in middle of that. And at the time of reversal, we are going to short, so those all the inefficiencies will be our target. Mm, 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 mm. There is no meaningful swing high until this point, so yeah, it's interesting to see how much market will go above. Okay, I can end a stream now, but I really want to take that short trade. This one will be the busy. Uh, uh, mhm, mhm. There is no down close candle in this area, in this rally. That's why we don't have that market structure shift confluence right now. So without market structure shift, we are not going to enter on inversion fair value gap. This will be the inversion fair value gap if it closes below this CB BC. So it has to close below this black line 23807. Mm, 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 mm. That's good. And our SL will be, I don't know, where is the 30 points? Yes, at open of this candle and our 60 points will be our target. Uh, so yes, this one is 60 points exactly, the relative equal loads. Um, this one is going to pan out. If not, we don't care. But yeah, that's high probability trade. I call this as a flip hour model. So after 9:30, market flips. It runs for one direction and then flips. If this one is also SL hit, then I'm going to end this stream and we are going to be here tomorrow exactly at 8 a.m. New York time. Let's see. I have some time, I have some work, and yeah, we'll see it. We will review it what happened here tomorrow. So goodbye until then. Okay.